For years, we've been hearing about self-driving cars and trucks and that the self-driving age is quickly approaching.
So where is it? Well, 6 News anchor Bo Williams joins us now, and Bo, it appears the future definitely has arrived, and Knoxville is playing a major role.
Yeah, you're exactly right, Kristen. As a matter of fact, if you've ever been driving along Pellissippi Parkway, you may have noticed the building on the hill. The sign reads Local Motors, but do you really know what goes on there? Well, we recently got a look inside, and believe it or not, what's going on is nothing short of a glimpse into the future of automaking. What you are looking at is the future of the automotive industry.
The future is here. It's direct digital manufacturing of mass-produced vehicles.
Beginning this summer, Knox County will officially join the automaking family, but not in the traditional sense.
We're revolutionizing the mobility industry with a 3D printed autonomous shuttle, the Ollie 2.0.
That's right. He said 3D printed, a technique perfected after years of research.
We are also a research and development facility, and so a large part of what we do here is the materials development for specific 3D printed vehicles. These are plastic cars, right? But we need to do a lot of research to figure out how to produce these efficiently and how to make them very structural and safe, of course.
And that all begins in the facility's small-scale lab.
With desktop 3D printers, we are able to make models, smaller models, using this relatively common technique. This really helps connect most of the people that are unfamiliar with 3D printing to what we do on a vehicle scale.
And what they do on a larger scale is accomplished thanks in part to utilizing the world's largest 3D printer.
So what it does is it deposits the polymer or the plastic, each layer, and it goes up, 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 up in the Z direction. In this facility, we are able to upscale this 3D printing process to actual vehicle size.
As a matter of fact, beginning this July, Local Motors, Knoxville, will begin the mass production of Ollie 2.0.
The Ollie is a self-driving shuttle bus, autonomous shuttle bus, that is electric.
This is a look at what the Ollie 2.0 will roughly look like. The Knoxville micro factory will be able to turn out one a week, a far cry from the 4-week timeline it takes using traditional manufacturing methods.
One of the great parts about direct digital manufacturing is that going from the traditionally manufactured pilot version of the Ollie shuttle to the Ollie 2.0, we are able to produce the shuttle with a fraction of the parts in a fraction of the time. It's printed, machined, assembled, goes through the production line, out the door. Local Motors currently has set out 2 goals. One is to revolutionize the transportation industry, and 2 is to revolutionize the manufacturing industry.
So again, look for the 3D printed self-driving low-speed Ollie 2.0 to begin rolling off the assembly line this summer, possibly in July. I'm told interest is coming in from college campuses, airports, even some city centers. And you may be asking, wasn't Knoxville planning to utilize Ollie? That plan has been scrubbed for now. This is due to costs and further legislation on self-driving vehicles. But while talking with Visit Knoxville today, they did tell me, though, the door is not closed, guys, but right now there's still no clear timeline. I know, talking to the people at Local Motors as well, they'd like to see Ollie on the roads here too. So hopefully down the line we'll get this worked out and they'll be on the roads here.
What a cool project.
It is cool. It is something to watch up close and personal.
Yeah, it is. All right, Bo, thank you so much.
You could tell he had fun with that.
He did have a lot of fun with that.